you dreaming of an unforgettable vacation without breaking the bank? Well, get ready to pack your bags. First stop, Ubud, Bali, a paradise for those who seek tranquility and culture. Imagine practicing yoga surrounded by serene rice terraces and exploring the sacred monkey forest. With costs as low as $720 for a 3-day trip, Ubud is not just a dream. Next up, Siem, Cambodia. Home to the majestic Angkor Wat, this city is a treasure trove of history and vibrant street life. Indulge in local crafts and cuisine, all within your budget, starting from just $690 for a 3-day adventure. Let's jet off to Sofia, Bulgaria. This hidden European gem brims with history from Roman, Ottoman, and Soviet eras. Stroll through its enchanting streets without stretching your wallet. A week's journey starting at just $950. Say hola to Valencia, Spain. Sun-kissed beaches, tantalizing cuisine, and rich culture await you. With free activities and affordable delights, Valencia proves Western Europe can be budget-friendly too. Last but not least, Macedonia, the Balkans' best-kept secret. From kayaking in Lake Ohrid to exploring ancient churches, it's a cultural haven with daily expenses as low as $25. Ready to live your travel dreams? These destinations offer more than just affordable travels. They're gateways to new experiences, cultures, and memories. So, which of these budget-friendly paradises will you explore first? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Your next adventure is just a click away.